Acetate is built up in layers, which is how you get the depth of color and the depth of pattern, and then you basically work the acetate like you would wood. It just happened. I didn't even know that I was building a collection of eyewear. I just slowly bought so many over time that I had a little closet full of acetate frames. When I started to engage in the idea of making glasses, I never even connected that I had this really strong affinity towards the material and towards frames. It's a medical device on top of being an accessory. It's a really kind of amazing intersection of functionality and design. Because acetate is made of cotton primarily, it's a soft plastic and it will form to your face over time.